Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to transform these skinny jeans into a bootcut jeans by inserting a godet. So we have our pants and now I'm going to find where the knees are more or less, and just a little bit above the knee I will mark a line, and then I will try to find any material. I have these old black jeans, they are very similar, and now I'm making sure that I more or less have the good amount. Let me see, I put it like that together to see more or less how much I need to add, and I will measure to see if I have enough material for the adding. So I'm measuring the length, it's 20 inches, and I have the width, so I'm okay. If I had the two legs, I would have add from the bottom part to take the opportunity of the hem, but it's not enough at the hem, so I will have to go backwards and use the top as a button. And as you can see, I already have a patch, and sometimes I do the patch using t-shirt material instead of jeans just to make it a little bit softer. So what I'm gonna do, I will mark 1 inch extra for the hem and a little bit more just in case, and I'm trying to look for the grain. This is not the grain, so I will just erase it and I will look better for the grain. The grain is better there, yeah. So that's my grain, and then I will mark the 6 inches that I need, and I will make basically a triangle, as you can see. And sometimes you can make the bottom part a little bit curved depending on the kind of godet you wanna do. Now I'm adding my seam allowance, and I will just cut it off, and then after cutting I will mark all the lines everywhere in my two triangles. For that I will take my ruler and I will put it like that on top, and then I will mark everything. Now that I have everything marked, I'm going to open my pants. So these are my marks. I will start by opening from the hem. This is a chain stitch so easy. And just remember guys that I did a video on how to open jean seams, so click the link below if you wanna see it. I'm just doing very fast now. So I have the chain stitch as well in the side of my jeans, and then I have the serger, and I cut a little bit and pull it. Satisfying. So when you open the sides, you have to be sure to go a little bit above the mark because of the cleaning. Because what you are gonna do, you are going to serge each side, and then after you have to serge a little bit closed, just like let's say 1 inch, and then everything is clean. If you just open until the mark, then you won't have the way to clean it properly, let's say. Now I will go back and will close again my sides until my mark, and now I'm going to insert the godet, and the godet you have to serge it first, remember. So I will put my godet, and I will make sure that the vertex of the triangle is exactly on the opening of the seam, and then I will put it together, and the sewing mark is with the old mark of the stitch. Now I will go to the other side, and I will make sure to go exactly to the same point. This is crucial to have a nice godet. And then I will sew my other side, and I will go until you see the stitches. Well, I'm going exactly to touch just the stitch but not go over, like that. Yes, and here you go, the result. You see, it looks really nice. And now I'm going to just reduce the excess of material, and I will sew back my hem, and I think it's everything done. The patch there is like a kind of touch, and I will iron a little bit, not really too much, because when it's on iron it's a little bit nice. And here you go, the result. Before I had skinny jeans, now I have bootcut jeans. And you know, if you find this video useful, please give us a like, and if you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell below, comment, share. Thank you. Bye.